Welcome to Fitness 201 Weight Training. I'm your instructor, Gabe Salcedo. If you need to reach me during the course, please email me at salcedog@smccd.edu. I'll make sure to get back to all emails in a timely fashion. Fitness 201 is designed to introduce students to various models of weight training, including instruction on basic and advanced lifting techniques and exercise selection. This class will help each student identify individual fitness goals and design a specific weight training program to help reach those goals. Our course objectives are to become acquainted with several weight training philosophies and techniques, gain an understanding of the various components of a weight training program and begin to set fitness goals, develop the ability to select appropriate activities and demonstrate safe and effective training techniques, and be able to identify the muscles of the human body and understand the physiology of muscular development. We will be using modules that are organized into 1-week units, and they can be found on the left-hand sidebar. Modules are structured to organize and track fitness sessions. Each module will contain the overview, to-do list, an assignment, a discussion, and a quiz. Please click on the syllabus link on the left-hand sidebar, review it, and email me if you have any questions regarding the course. I look forward to a great semester of Fitness 201 weight training.